Hello. For this problem, suppose that you have 7 green cards and 5 yellow cards. The cards are well shuffled. You randomly draw 2 cards without replacement. So we have 7 green and 5 yellow. G1 is that the first card is green and G2 is the second one. So in this one, we're saying both of them are green. So if we find the probability that the first one is green, there's 7 out of 12. But when we pull that green out, the first one, then there's only 6 green and still 5 yellow. But only 11 cards. So the reason I divided here, there were 7 green out of the 12 cards. Once we pulled that first card, the probability of the second one being green, there's only 6 green out of the 11. Okay. And if you multiply that together, you'll get the 0.31 rounding 4 decimal places. At least one green would mean the first one's green, the second one's green, or both of them are green. But we could do 1 minus the probability that none of them are green. And similar to this one, the probability none of them are green, the first one would be 5/12. When we do that, then we have still 7 green, but we'd only have 4 yellow. So the probability the second one is not green would be 4 out of the 11. And if you calculate that, you'll get the 0.8485. The last one is the probability of the second one being green given the first was green. If the first is green, then when we go to pull the second one, there's only 6 green and 5 yellow. So the probability of the second one being green is 6 out of the 11, which is 0.5455.